What if I told you that there's a playbook on how to attain power that has captivated millions, including celebrities and even politicians?
Absolutely. It's called The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene.
Greene initially conceived the core ideas for this book while navigating the tumultuous waters of Hollywood.
While working there, he realized that the traits of power players today mirrored those of historical figures.
Right. In 1995, he was at Fabrica, where he met a book packager named Joost Elfers. They started discussing Greene's ideas.
Exactly. Greene pitched his vision of power, and 6 months later he was asked to write a treatment.
The pivotal moment came when he was rereading a biography on Julius Caesar. The courage to cross the Rubicon inspired him to leap into writing his book.
He certainly did, marking that moment as a turning point.
But not everyone is a fan of Greene's laws.
Carol Kennedy mentioned that some of Greene's laws can seem contradictory, describing the book as plodding and didactic.
Another critic, Jerry Adler, noted that despite Greene's intentions, he actually arguments for humility and obscurity.
It is. Kirkus Reviews stated there's no solid evidence behind Greene's worldview, calling the book simply nonsense.
In contrast, it has been the subject of academic study at several colleges.
Jeffrey Pfeffer from Stanford pointed out that Greene's laws are based on isolated examples rather than solid research.
Despite the criticisms, The 48 Laws of Power has sold over 1.3 million copies in the United States alone.
It's considered a mega cult classic. It appears to resonate across various demographics, from hip-hop to Hollywood.
Exactly. In fact, it's widely requested in American prisons.
Well, people like rapper 50 Cent found relatable insights in it, even collaborating with Greene for the 50th Law.
The book's influence is also seen in the music of artists like Jay-Z, Kanye West, and Drake.
Interestingly, several prisons have even banned the book.
That's a great question, and one that might be worth discussing further. Perhaps some listeners can share their insights in the comments.
Definitely. There's more to uncover, and it truly adds layers to our understanding of power dynamics.
That's coming right up, but there are still some mysteries surrounding its status among the elite.
And the future chapters will unravel even more about why the book resonates so deeply across different strata of society.